Alright, for the 5th time already. Here is my smoke alarm collection update as of April 6th, 2023. And this smoke alarm collection update is going to add a bunch of new stuff. Let me just count how much I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 31 smoke alarms in total in this collection. I'm actually excluding a few since they're broken or they're duplicates. Like my CEC and my BRK 83R and my Family Guard FG200 and one of my P3010s that's also broken, and another one of my COPP3s that are duplicate. That is a duplicate of that one. Alright, let's just get straight to the point. First up, you already know what this thing is. I'm not going to talk much about it. I don't really feel like testing it, but you all know what it sounds like. The reason why I don't feel like testing it is because it takes so long, and I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes. So that's why I'm not testing it. I will be testing this one, though. That's only one out of the two that I won't be testing. Now, this one is a P3010B, and I obviously will be testing this. I wouldn't recommend buying these or this one because they false alarm a lot. Just test it. And this is also an older model because it says fire twice. The newer models don't do that anymore. Next one is a First Alert 9120B. We all know what this one is. Let's just put a battery in it. We even have one in our house. Have a few in our house. They're the only smoke alarms we have in our house. And if I can get this one and get the stupid battery in here. Yeah. Stupid battery just doesn't like to go in. I hate the way you put the battery in the 9120B. In this particular one anyway, since it's not in the best condition. There we go. Alright, test it. Alright. And I'm just gonna try to go through these as quick as I can. I'm gonna try to. Dying sound. Yeah. Next one, a 9030. Actually, this is actually another one that I don't feel like testing. There's actually 3 I don't feel like testing just because this one is so finicky with batteries and I just don't want it to take that long. Like the battery will literally just fall out. So yeah, that's why I don't feel like testing it. This one I will be testing though. P3010B. I mean, no, not P3010B. That one is. This is a P3010L, which is the same thing but doesn't have a voice. And they're also both 10-year lithium seal. Yeah. PI9010 dual sensor photoelectric. This thing's pretty cool, and I'll be testing it. Alright. And another one, which is First Alert No, not that. First Alert SA520 wireless interconnect feature. Let's test it. Battery. Forgot about that. Let me just put them in. If this will work. There we go. Now let's get this one on. And boom. Alright, let's test it. This thing is loud too. Alright, next one, boring, Firex 561 AAC. Yeah. Oh wait, wrong way. This one's weird. You have to put it in a different way. Alright. Yep. This one is not in the best shape, but it's a First Alert. Not First Alert. Kidde COSM XTRBA. This one is my first smoking carbon monoxide alarm, and made in 2018. I got it in December, at Christmas of 2018. All right. Let me just do that.
Push test button.
Test it.
Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
All right. Sorry. Funny dog sound. All right. Next one, First Alert SA6070 from 1993. Yeah. We all know these. These are pretty common to find. I do see these occasionally. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I can get this battery in there. Alright, test it. I know where I went off, but yeah. Alright. Alright, now we're getting to the older side of the collection / interesting new / old stuff. This is a 4120B from 2001. Got it off of eBay, and yeah, it's similar to 9120B in my opinion, but just older. Yeah, this thing does fast code 3. Alright, Nest Protect. This was very high tech. It's very cool, and yeah, it's yellow because it's not connected to my phone. It's offline.
Heads up, Nest Protect is offline in the bedroom. Heads up, Nest Protect is offline in the bedroom. Ready, in the bedroom. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. It's going to be loud. The test starts in 5 seconds. Press to cancel. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Just a moment.
Yeah, this thing. It also has a little charging thing, connector thing, that you can use without batteries. And yeah, Google 2020 December 16th is when this thing was made. So I got this thing I've got this thing 2 years ago. So yeah. It's also gonna be my birthday soon, so yeah. This is my Fire Sentry 0914 from 1998. Does code 1. It's the earliest model. Except if you have a Lifesaver, which is from 1997. Probably sometimes. Alright, that's it. Yeah, very fast pulse. Still trying to finish up Nest Protect. Come on, hurry, Nest Protect. Now, excuse me for a second while I power up this one. This is a FireX Model H, not G6 actually. Not G6 at all.
Finishing up.
Oh, this one's finishing up. Let's see it finish.
The test is finished.
Yeah, just ignore that part.
Heads up, Nest Protect is offline in the bedroom.
Yeah, just ignore that part. Now, FireX Model H from 1998, very faulty horn. Yeah. Yeah. Let me just excuse me while I connect this to AC power. Yeah, that's all I want to ask you for. Alright, got this all powered up. Got this powered up to AC. Let's test this. And fun fact, this one actually came out from my uncle's house. And then I replaced them with First Alert 7010Bs. So, just give you a fun fact. Alright. Now for probably the most interesting smoke alarm in my collection. This is a Family Guard. I acquired this today. This is a Family Guard FG777. This thing is extremely rare, and yeah, I love this thing. It's really loud as well. From 1977. It's my second oldest alarm that I got. And this one takes a 9-volt battery, Kobayashi CLB27 brass squealer horn, coffin shape sensor, sensitivity adjustment thing, and I think it's actually 77R based because the labels look similar with the 77R, and the PCB is really similar. It might be it might be the same PCB. I'm not sure though. So yeah. Let's just put a battery in it and give it a test. And this one also has no test button. So I will be using Smoke Saber. All right. Put the cover on. This is right. This is the right thing anyway. Oh, yeah, it is. Alright. Let's use our Smoke Saber and give it a test. Let me just move it so none of the other alarms sense the smoke. The aerosol, I should say. Oh. That was a fail. Alright, let's test it. This thing could be blaring. If it work anyway. Try that again. There we go. I had to move that because this thing is really sensitive. Yeah, this thing is extremely loud. Brass squealer horn. This thing went off for a very long time. Very sensitive to smoke. Yeah. No test button. Very cool device. Very, very cool device. Next up is another cool device. My loudest one too. My BRK 1839 ACI. It has tape because the cover won't stay on. After I broke one of the tabs accidentally. But this thing still works. It has the old logo, classic logo, push-in terminals, and I will test this. And yeah. Oh wait, I think I forgot to include one here. My FADC. So this is my FireX FADC. This is broken, so. And this one has a very loud mechanical buzzer. So let me just connect this to AC power. No battery backup, so let's just connect it to AC power. What was that? Oh, that was just my. That was just my Family Guard. All right. All right, I'm about to get some easy power. Oh crap! That's unsafe. Alright. Ah! What's that? Well, that was bad. I'm gonna unplug that. Won't be testing that, because that just made a big spark. Won't be testing that today. But you probably know what it sounds like. Alright, moving on. You probably don't know what that sounds like. Alright, moving on to my, what is it? Black & Decker SMK 60M3 this one actually is from 1985. And this one is from 1988 with the trumpet horn, piezo. And they would just put the battery in this. Alright. Let's test this, even though you already heard it. Let's do it. For some reason, it was gargly. Let me just get the stupid battery out. Another one of my most interesting units is my Teledyne Waterpik D1 from 1976, my oldest alarm. My second rarest. This thing is huge as well, compared to my hand. Yeah, D1, 1976. And this also has no test button, so I'm gonna have to use Smoke Saber. Alright, let's test it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. That's it for that one. That one's very interesting. I think it also is based off the Smoke Guard 700A. Because it looks like it has the same layout on the inside. Moving on to my Lifesaver 0915 Kitafire from 1997. And yeah. Yeah. Let's just test this. This one ain't that loud. It's pretty cool though. Does code 1. Yeah. That's it for that one. Next few are just boring things. Like this one is actually kind of cool. This one has an escape light. My only escape light alarm that I have, except for the CEC that's broken. But the only escape light alarm that I have that's working. Trying to get this to work. Alright, SS04. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. I can get this stupid battery out. Next one is just a very crappy USI, where is it? SS770. Very crappy. I don't like this thing. It's just so crappy. It works like crap. Wait. That was weird. Yeah, that's how it works. It's crappy. Slow code 3, a little slower code 3. Yeah. Crappy horn. Yeah. Yeah. This one is a KN, a Kidda KN, forgot the model, COBLP2 from 2015 November 25th, so it's expired now. It says it lasts 10 years, but carbon monoxide alarms only last 7 years normally. So obviously I just wouldn't install this thing because it's already expired. So all right, this one here. This battery won't go in because of this little piece. Doesn't like me. There we go. Got testing. Yeah. Next one is my, this is scrappy. Just the i9040. They're very cheap. Very cheap, like the Family Guard FJ200s. Here. Yeah. Alright. i1040, 10-year lithium sealed. It's like a micro profile version of the i9010. Wait, that's the i9010. One of these is broken, which is this one. It got deactivated. So I'm gonna test this one. Okay. Next one. SA303. We pretty much already know a lot about these things. Very basic. Very basic devices that you can very commonly find. This is basically the non-escape light version to the SA304. Not sure these things will work very well because of stupid battery canisters. Alright. Yeah, nothing much to say there. Alright. Another one, this one, i9010. It sounds the same as this one, just a different design. It's 3rd gen. Okay. Next one is the older version of that, but I'm not gonna test this because it sounds the same. Next one is a First Alert Tiny P1000 Atom. Oh, let's test it. Yes, things are cool. Next one, last two. This one's a DP2, CAN-COB DP2, and look at what happened. That's broken, but it can still use battery, and this thing will still work. All right. The last one is pretty interesting. Yeah, if I can get these batteries. Alright, tiny sound. Alright, this one's interesting. This one's pretty interesting. This is a Jameson Code 1 CDH1, 1986, February 4th. As it says right here. That's the date code. It's 86204. That means 1986, February 4th. Now let's get the battery. Alright. Let's test it. Alright. I can get this battery out. Alright. There you have it. That was my smoke alarm collection as of April 6th, 2020. So yeah. And let me just put these back. Okay, bye.